Okay.
Fucking gnarly stuff randomly.
Sorry, sir.
Good, man. It's growing. Staying healthy and helps a lot. Sucks when they're sick. She's been teething a lot. Been her teeth in.
That's the one on Facebook.
Right. She's doing good. She's sleeping really well. Yeah. I don't miss the days when she wasn't sleeping.
Remember that video of the mosque shootings? That dude Facebook Live?
Oh, it's really is just a million
How much money you got?
Look, he looks like a video game where minions are attacking you. But it's real shit.
Is that kind of too much?
Yeah, just through a 2x4, but nothing more.
I don't really know what's going on with it. It just doesn't seem like anyone really cares
What?
about our apprenticeship class. No one really cares.
Like the people who are in it or TJ? Or both?
Everything. I think it has a lot to do with the teachers not caring. Teachers saying some wild stuff.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fucked up shit.
And then it doesn't help that we don't really, I guess the best way to say it, respect it. Like, we don't respect him for it.
That was pretty dark.
I'd say the one class we went with Ian, we did one class with Ian at Riverside for I learned more there than I did going to the office, doing our tests.
That's because Ian actually gets mad when we don't pay attention. You're like, ask him.